Guys, hi guys, now I'm showing you unboxing of Soldering Gun. See guys, I ordered it on Flipkart 2 days ago. Now it has arrived. I had opened from this cover. Now I'll explain and explore what's inside. See, first thing of all, this is soldering paste which is used, but it is not useful much. We'll keep it aside. You can see that. And this is the stand. This is stand piece and we have to assemble it. Now we'll assemble. If you want, just take out the nut, keep it here like this. Just a minute guys, like this, and you again screw the part. See guys, now we have our stand. Now this is soldering wire. Soldering wire, which is the most important part of the soldering thing. Now this is wire striper and cutter. Sorry, wire stripper, and this is also very useful for us. And at last comes soldering gun. And this is very useful. Now we'll just open this one. Guys, see that. This is soldering iron, 25 watts required, 230 volts. Now this is how you use the stand. This is how. And we'll open this thing. See guys, it is tough to open, but see, this is the thing. Now that's all. That's all guys for this video, and I'll show you many more videos and test this one in my other videos. That's it for now guys, bye. Please like, share, subscribe. You can also find me in Facebook. My profile name is Vignesh BL. This is the same profile pic of mine.